How to restore Google Phone Dialer to old interface. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring back the old Google Phone Dialer interface. So if you're not loving the new layout, just follow along step by step to restore the classic look. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store app. Now, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and head over to Settings. Next, go to Network Preferences and tap Auto Update Apps. Here, choose Don't Auto Update Apps. This makes sure your apps won't automatically update to the new version again. Now go back to the Play Store home screen and search for Phone by Google. On the app page, tap the three dots in the top right corner and disable Auto Update for this specific app as well. Great! Now we'll clear the current version's data. Go to your home screen, find the Google Phone app, long press it, and select App Info. Then head over to Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache, and then tap Clear Data, or Clear Storage. Don't worry, this won't erase your contacts or call history, it just resets the app layout. Now, go back to the App Info, then tap Uninstall Updates to roll back the app to its original version. Once you've done that, exit and reopen the app. If it asks you to set it as your default dialer, go ahead and do that. When it loads, you'll see the classic old interface back in place. And that's it. Super simple. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this.